Yes, now we can discuss about knowledge management. Knowledge management is the process of organizing, creating, using, and sharing collective knowledge within an organization. Successful knowledge management includes maintaining information in a place where it is easy to access. What are the three types of knowledge management? There are three major types of knowledge management systems: enterprise-wide knowledge management systems, knowledge work systems, and intelligent techniques. Then, which is the what is knowledge management and why is IT important? It important. IT important. IT means information technology important. Knowledge management is the process of capturing, storing, sharing, and effectively managing the knowledge and experience of employees to increase the workforce overall knowledge. It is primary goal is to improve efficiency, productivity, and retain critical information within the company. What are the four components of knowledge management? The best four components of knowledge management are people, process, content, and strategy. Regardless of the industry, size, or knowledge needs for your organization, you always need people to lead, sponsor, and support knowledge sharing. You need defined processes to manage and measure knowledge flows. What is an example of knowledge management? An example of knowledge management system is WS knowledge base. It includes a search feature so users can get answers to specific solutions as well as top articles and product specific navigation. What are the benefits of knowledge management? Improved organizational ability, better and faster decision making, quicker problem solving, increased rate of innovation, supported employee growth and development, sharing of specialist expertise, better communication, improved business process. Then, what are the two major types of knowledge management? Knowledge management systems. Two major types. Knowledge management systems. An internal knowledge management system or internal knowledge management base is a compendium of information. External management systems. Then external knowledge management systems. Then what are the key principles of knowledge management? KM is KM must align with the business. KM means knowledge management. KM must include connect and collect. Then KM must address push and pull. KM must address roles, process, processes, technologies, and governance. KM must be embedded into the businesses. That is the information regarding knowledge management. So knowledge management is most important in every process of organization. Wishing you all the best.